Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video I have this Toyota CHR 2019 and we're gonna have a look at the location of the pollen filter. So in this particular model it's a right-hand drive, so the pollen filter will be sitting behind the glove box here. So if you open the glove box, I would suggest, so what you need to do is basically pull these little tabs out, but if you do this side first, if you bring that tab out a little bit, so that's come out, and also pull the bottom of the glove box out like so, then it will be a lot easier to get this bit out. So now this is a bit loose, and that's basically where the glove box hooks down here. That's what we unhooked. So when you fit this back, you have to rehook it. And in here there's gonna be a little cover. Right, I just got my light on, and there is this cover here which we need to open, and in there is the pollen filter. And that is your pollen filter out. So this one looks like possibly does need replacing, but I'm gonna have to replace it later because I haven't got one at the minute. But I just want to show you, if I can take it out, just show you the part number, if there is one here. Yes, there is one here, and that says 87139 YZZ34, and you can see also the arrows that say up. So that's the way that this needs to go back in. So on your new filter you're gonna have some arrows as well, pointing which way is up, and they might be on the side or on the other side, whichever way. Anyway, this just slides out of here basically like so, and then you slide your new one in. But okay, so the arrows on the filter basically need to match up the casing here, and the little casing, you have an arrow also that says up. So that's the way the filter needs to go in. In fact, the airflow, because I can see the pollen filter dirty on this side and not on this side, it means the air from outside is actually coming in this way and filtering and then going out this way. So obviously having a pollen filter is quite essential, especially if you have allergies and whatnot. And then that just goes back in there. Okay, just got my light back on, so I just push that in there. And then we have our cover. And then obviously we can just fit back our glove box. So just hook it back in there and then push this back up, which might be a little bit hard, but you just have to push up like so. And that is that. So as I was saying, the pollen filter does help with filtering pollen and dust and whatnot. There are other filters out there which also can filter bacteria and stuff like that. So there's two types of filters that you can usually get. One is the pollen filter. The other one does also pollen, but it also is a carbon active carbon filter or something that sort of catches bacteria and that kind of thing. So anyway, hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video. So thank you for watching.